Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a little bit longer video, and this will be also a double feature because I have not one but two pouches or carry system options that I would like to present to you. And as always, if you have any questions, leave comments down below. I also will annotate some informations and we'll put links to the description box, and all the links and also the pricing is subject to change because I don't know when you are watching this video. But let's talk about these two pouches. So if you know, I have presented some organizers and pouches in the past on my channel because I love to carry and also store and organize my gear. And if you don't want to pay high prices for, let's say, a Maxpedition product, then this will be a really nice option for you. So if you are limited by price, or maybe limited by your sizing, then or maybe also country, or maybe where you can purchase things, these two products will probably be the right options for you. So okay, let's first open this up. So this is the JINJULI waist bag. Yes, of course, they are made in China. They are from China. And I would say this is a Maxpedition small organizer sized pouch or organizer. So on the exterior we have a nice a big loop if you want to carry it in the hand, but also you have MOLLE compatible paneling here, and if you like you can also use it just with these two straps here to, let's say, carry it on your belt, so as a hip side pouch. What you have here, a little bit of Velcro, so you can put your morale patch or your flag, whatever you want. A little bit of a mesh pocket here, maybe for some I don't say, some quick accessible tools, maybe some little multi-tool or little knife. I did have pre-packed this pouch with some items just to show you what you can put inside of it. And we have a length of 18 centimeters or 7 inches, and the width is 12.5 centimeters or 4.9 inches. The weight of the pouch is 95 grams. So sorry for that. And let's see. So the structure inside is standard to a Maxpedition organizer. So we have rubber straps that organize with two wide areas here, let's say for two knives, or maybe a large flashlight and one knife. Then also you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 smaller dividers, rubber bands for, you can put here pens, maybe a small flashlight, whatever you like. And then you have a large area behind. I just put some headset, some earbuds, and also you can use it for your keys. You can attach your keys here and using it in that fashion. Maybe some flintlock, different kinds of applications. Then on the other side we have another small a small divider, let's say for a pen, a little bit larger on the other side. They should be similar, but this is a little bit larger, so you can use, I have here my nano oil from Poker. You have a large divider in the middle. You can use it for just paper, sticky notes, and also a notepad. Here you have two, let's say similar size, divided into two, this length, and underneath you have just, let's say, you can put here one pen, another pen, and then you can put here the notepad. This is a really old ThinkPad, maybe by now an antique. I don't know when this was made, but it's really old. I have it for 10 years, more than 10 years. Okay, and also another large compartment here. I just have a fresh towel or a refreshing wet wipe. It depends on you what you want to put. So really a nice, let's say, daily carry EDC pouch, and it will cost you around $6. So the second one is the tactical accessory bag. really nice name, yeah. Okay, so what is this? Mainly this is your phone, maybe wallet, pouch for your pants. So if you want to carry it on your belt hip. One downside, you have not any kind of snap quick detachment option here. So these are nylon webbings that you need to either manually take down or just use your belt, loop them. It probably also could be used on a molly vest, but I'm not sure of that because it has different spacing. And what have we here? You have a nice large flap. This flap will expose the inside of this open pouch, and as you can see, Velcro. I have put inside easily 2 knives. So this is your 4 size Griptilian and the Pika 2, but also you can use it to store your phone, no problems there. And also you have 2 compartments, and as you can see, you have just a partially opening, so let's say a half opening of the pouch. So inside I have put just some paper tissues and my XS 902 torch, but you can also fit let's say a few pens if you like, maybe also another knife, so no problems there. And then of course you will get another compartment, and this compartment will also fit a large phone. So let's say your Samsung S8 Plus or new iPhone, no problem. So, and this pouch you can get in ACU, camouflage and black, and this one you can get in khaki, which is this color, then black and military green. And this one is a little bit pricier. This will cost around $8 to $9. Depends if the product is on a flash sale or not. I will provide links for both of them in the description box, so if you like, you can check them out and see for yourself. The sizing of this pouch is, once again, like the previous one, 18 centimeters or 7 inches, and it's a little bit smaller. The width is 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches. So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. The zippers are, in my opinion, much more higher quality on this one. Also, you have these nice pulls like on the Maxpedition products. This one has just your standard zippers with these standard zipper pulls made out of thin aluminum, and I saw this break really easily. So yes, but it depends on your style. This is much more not obtrusive to carry it outside your pants than this one. This, in my opinion, is so much more tactical and military looking. So if you don't want to raise any eyebrows, but I will leave that to you. In my opinion, they are really nice options for smaller EDC organizers. And if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.